uh, we will try to answer the three questions we have raised earlier. So the three questions were, what are the phases present? What are the phases present for a constitution point, for a given constitution point? So we will try to answer the first question and draw the phase diagram here. 1085 degrees Celsius and 1453 degrees Celsius. On right hand you have complete nickel, on left hand you have copper. We will select maybe, so this is the composition. Okay, let it be B. So this is our constitution point. Maybe the composition is 40 percentage nickel and 60 percentage copper. So I'm assuming that. And here let the temperature maybe 1250 degrees Celsius. So this is the constitution point. Okay, so what are the phases present here? So you know that here on the top of the liquidus line, so this is the liquidus line, and this is the solidus line. Below the solidus line, you have completely solid, and in between you have liquid plus solid. On the top you have completely liquid. So from the phase diagram, it is evident that you have at constitution point B, you have two phases present. Two phases present. That is liquid plus solid. There are a total of two phases, liquid and solid. So the first question is answered. And one more thing you need to keep in mind here is that about the 1-to-1 rule. Okay, so what do you mean by the 1-to-1 rule? So if you draw a phase diagram, is this is your phase diagram, and if you select a phase, a single phase here, and if you put a single phase here, and if you move from this 1 to 2, okay, that is move from 1 to 2. See here, this one you here one you have here it is liquid and here it is solid. In between you have liquid plus solid, and here it is copper and here is nickel. Okay, and in constitution point one, you have only one phase that is evident from here, that is the liquid phase, and here you have two. Again, you have only solid phase that is shown in the uh, phase diagram. So if you move from 1 to 2, so let me write it down. The 1-to-1 rule states that if we move horizontally, so that is basically an isotherm because we are moving at constant temperature. The y-axis corresponds to here the temperature. So that is an isotherm. So if we move from one single phase to another single phase, another single phase, another single phase, then we will always have a two-phase region, two-phase that is a liquid plus alpha region in between. So this is what the 1-to-1 rule states that. So in this particular example, we move from 1 to 2. You can see that we encounter a region that is a two-phase region here, that is liquid plus solid. So that is what this rule states. That is called the 1-to-1. If we move from 1 to another single phase, then you will encounter two phases in the middle. Okay, this is the 1-to-1 rule. So now we will try to answer the second question, that is